Hi guys, so today I'm working on a Jeep Wrangler, the 2015 I think. So I had a noise in the rear. So as you can see, like the rear differential, like I don't know how that happened, but the pin like just went out, even if the lock pin's there. And you can see that the pinion is affected. We'll need to replace the pinion and also maybe the diff, because the teeth was broken. Maybe we can save that, but it might end up with a new used diff. So this is a ratio. So thanks for watching guys, subscribe, have a nice day.